Walking through the city, neon lights shining bright. In a world of chrome and circuitry, nothing feels quite right. Raindrops fall like liquid diamonds, glisten on my skin, and the rhythm of the thunder echoes deep within. Every drop that lands on me is like a gentle touch, lost in a symphony of rain. I crave it oh so much. Every puddle on the pavement reflects my soul's desire to feel you close, to taste your love in this electric fire. On this last day